currently, but let's get in a technical opinion. Then we have Sameet Chavan who joins us today. Hi Sameet, before we get to a couple of your stock picks, I wanted to know on the Nifty, what's your strategy? Finally, we're seeing some green, 30-40 points, though it's looking very, very iffy. We are seeing movements of around 10-15 points in quick spurts. Would you initiate any position currently? Would you wait to initiate a long position, or would you go ahead and short the Nifty currently?
Good morning, Nigel. See, we have seen a relentless fall from recent highs of 7950, and Nifty has fallen more than 550 points now. Having said that, we are now observing a strong support zone around 7350, 7300, which is the lower end of 10 months falling wedge pattern. Thus, at current juncture, we are not advising traders to go short on the market, but rather wait for depths. 7350, 7300 would be a strong support zone. In case of any reversal sign around those levels, we might see an immediate bounce. Thus, as of now, at current level, we may not take any trade on the index. We would rather wait for a correction towards, say, 7350, 7340, which is a very strong support zone. And on the higher side now, immediate support resistance is seen around 7320 to 7420 to 7450.
All right, Sameet, before we get to your picks, let's pull up a few of these pharma stocks. They're suddenly getting a hard whack. Wokat should come up for you. That stock, in fact, has lost close to around 25% in this year. And take a look at what's happened in the last 10 to around 15 minutes. Suddenly, the stock is down close to around 6% as we speak. So watch out for that stock. Ajanta Pharma as well comes up for you on the screen. Couple of these pharma stocks, when we see selling on one of them, we're seeing, in fact, a bit of a basket selling. So we have Ajanta Pharma as well. That's replicating that. Strides as well. Let's pull that one up. That as well normally moves in tandem, and we're seeing some selling pressure. So Strides as well comes up for you in the screen. I think that one as well has suddenly moved to the low point of the day. Wokat, though, nonetheless is one of the big losers currently. It's down close to around 6%. For the year itself, it's down close to around 20%. And remember, that stock today started off in the green. It was sitting with a gain of around 1% odd at around 10 a.m. today. Unfortunately, 30-40 minutes, and in fact, that stock has lost a goodish bit. But Sameet, getting back to your picks, then you believe that it's the right time to buy ICICI Bank as well as Hero MotoCorp?
We have seen a relentless fall in ICICI Bank also from January 2014 highs of 380 plus. It has now reached its very strong support zone of monthly 89 EMA, which is placed around 214. Yesterday the stock made a low somewhere around 217 and rebounded. However, looking at the daily chart, it appears that yesterday it formed a spinning top pattern. Occurring such pattern around very strong support zone is a sign that the fall might get arrested around current levels. We would rather wait for a dip. 224, 222 would be a very good zone to get into ICICI Bank. One can then keep a stop loss at 212, and in that case we might see an immediate bounce towards 245 in ICICI. And second pick would be Hero Moto. In last 9 to 10 days, we have seen a sharp decline in Hero Moto. Looking at the overall daily chart structure, it appears that 2400, 2450 is acting as a strong support. Thus, it can be bought at current level. 2375 would be a stop loss, and we can see immediate bounce back towards 2580, 2600.
All right. Thanks so much, Sameet, for joining in and in fact giving us your take on the Nifty as well as on a couple of Nifty stocks as well. Just pull up HCL Tech. At one point of time, the stock was the biggest loser. It was down close to around 5%. Currently, it's staged a bit of a pullback. It's pulled back close to around 4% from the low point of the day. HCL Tech is a stock that I'm talking about. Intraday low, I think, of around 800 rupees. Bounce close to around 30 bucks from there. Slip into a short break. Come back. We'll focus on a lot more stocks. Stay tuned.